open the previously saved file. The name is right here. We have given names for each of the columns in the data. We can verify that by going into Name Manager. Now we're going to prepare frequency distribution for two variables, country and then number of cylinders, which is the last column. Now, before we can prepare a frequency distribution, we need to know the unique values for country. So to do that, first we're going to copy the data. Okay, click in the first cell, go down to the last cell, press the Shift key and then click in the last cell. Now to copy, do Control C, then leave a blank column, and over here in cell J22 do Control V. Now we have a copy of the data. Now click Data and then remove duplicates. Now we want to remove duplicates from column J, so click OK. 32 duplicates were removed and there are 6 unique values. Now you move these 6 unique values over to the country. Next, you're going to use the COUNTIF function, so type equal to COUNTIF. Then we have to provide two pieces of data, the range and criteria. Range is country and criteria is the name of the country from column B. So country and cell B7. Now copy that formula down and you get the frequencies for each of the countries. Now we're going to sum the frequencies by using, under the Home tab, it's Auto Sum. So click Auto Sum and that gives us the sum of 38, and that is correct because the number of cases we have is 38, so the frequencies must sum to 38. The relative frequency is frequency divided by the total number of observations. So you go equal to cell C7 and we divide by cell C13. But we have to make cell C13 absolute reference, and we do that by pressing the F4 key. And that inserts the $, so in copy C13 will remain as C13. Click Enter, Format, to decrease the decimal places to 2 decimal places, and then copy. And we have the relative frequencies, and we can sum the relative frequencies again using Auto Sum, and that should be equal to 1. So let's put a bottom border to make it look good. Okay, now we're going to repeat the same thing here for number of cylinders, and this is what the final result will look like. So get the unique values for cylinders and then use COUNTIF cylinders and then the criterion. Copy that, total 38 observations. Then for relative frequency, take individual frequencies and divide by the total frequency. Now in the next video, we'll look at using pivot table command for generating the frequency distribution. Save the file.